Well, hello, Chunky. Hello. Good morning, good morning. We are currently watching Dirty Jobs together, and he is very intrigued. My son is getting to the point where he's starting to grab stuff and try to bring it to his mouth. Yeah, look at you go. You're doing so good. Oh my goodness, you almost had it. Come on, you can do it. You're so close. Oh. So I'm currently trying to use up all of these Parent Choice diapers. I got them in a size 1, which is what my son wears, but these run small. So I'm trying to use these all up. Yeah. My husband and I, we just bought these pictures for the nursery as well, and they're so cute. So we got a lion, a giraffe, and a cute elephant. My son did just wake up from a 30-minute nap, but he's still acting cranky like he needs to nap again. It's currently almost noon. He woke up at 9:30. I've already had a cup of coffee. I already need more caffeine. So I'm gonna make me some caffeine. I had enough time to clean my cup, and that was it, because he was screaming his head off. I put him down for 1 minute, and he said, no ma'am. So I'm going to be making me a Dr. Pepper with coconut cream. So I'm just always so tired. I got this cup at Walmart, and it was on clearance for 50 cents, and it is a 20-ounce tumbler. I just put my son down for a nap because he fell asleep in my arms, and he woke right up as soon as I put him down in the crib. So I'm gonna see how long he will stay content so I can clean out my kitchen. Okay, I got some of the dishes clean. I need to wait for these to dry so I can do my second round. But it is about time to feed him anyways. He eats every 3 hours, it seems like, on the dot. So I'm gonna go grab him and nurse him real quick. Was that a good nap? Was that a good nap, Mister? I have a couple of these newborn bibs I need to put away. Kick a real feet, kick a little feet, kick these feetsies, kickle, kickle, kickle. I just finished the second load of dishes, so now dishes are completely caught up. Baby boy woke up from his nap, so I'm gonna go get him. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. How was your nap? How was that nap?